안녕하세요, this is Jeon. Today I'm going to make a crunchy seafood kimchi pancake. Kimchi Jeon, the kimchi pancake, is one of Korea's most popular comfort foods, loved for its crispy texture and bold kimchi flavor. With just a few simple ingredients, you can make a pancake that is crunchy, savory, tangy, and absolutely delicious. Let's get started. Here I have 1 cup of fermented kimchi. Well-fermented kimchi works much better than fresh kimchi. Cut the kimchi into small bite-sized pieces. These are medium-sized shrimps. You can use cocktail or smaller size or bigger size. Cut them, chop into small pieces. Depending on the shrimps, you'll need to devein. These are clean, so cut them small. Here I have 2/3 cup of Korean frying batter or tempura flour. I'll be mixing with potato starch. This is 2 tablespoons of potato starch. And this is going to make a super crunchy texture. Give it a mix. Also, combine with a little bit, about 1/3 teaspoon of chicken stock. In a bowl, add the frying mix or the tempura flour mix to it. Okay, pour in sparkling water. Then place chopped kimchi to the bowl along with shrimp. And for color, I like to add a little bit of gochugaru to it. This is optional. You can add a little less or a little more. Everything is in the bowl. Quickly mix it. Sparkling water contains plenty of carbon dioxide bubbles, which can help reduce gluten development, and the pancake turns out super crispy. Don't mix too much. So this type of batter is quite runny. Add enough oil to the pan. Then heat the pan over medium-high heat. Before cooking, thoroughly mix once, like this. Let's test the temperature. It's perfect. Now, add 1 bit. Much. And make it thinner. This is a good size that I can easily flip over later. But only if we cook this way, only the outer part turns crunchy. So make a small hole, either with a spoon, chopstick, like that. Okay, check the color. Okay, just like that. And then you want to flip it over. This is seafood kimchi pancake. It was instantly made in 10 minutes. It looks so crispy, crunchy, and oh, it smells wonderful. I can't wait to try it. You can eat this kimchi jeon as a side dish, but in Korea, we often enjoy kimchi jeon with some makgeolli. If you can, pair it with some makgeolli for an authentic Korean experience. I'll give it a try. Can you hear that? So crunchy. Konbae. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in my next video.